Well, if you've just clicked on my face for the first time, welcome to the channel. To our returning champions, you already know that we like to talk about some of the wonderful things that you can eat and drink in the great state of Pennsylvania. By that reckoning, Pennsylvania has a staggering number of beers produced here.
That's because Pennsylvania has a staggering number of breweries.
Right. There are a huge number of breweries in Pennsylvania.
I just said that.
Many of which you've no doubt heard of. Many more you certainly have not. It's my job to tell you about them.
Welcome to MAGIK Eating and Drinking in Pennsylvania.
And, by the way, MAGIK stands for middle-aged guy in the kitchen. That's why it's spelled with a K.
You know, you spend as much time in the car. You could spell it with a C.
True. But it's kind of a nice car.
It was a nice car 5 years and 50,000 miles ago.
Hurtful.
Hurtful to the car? It's a car, it can't feel anything.
Well, while that's likely true, I really don't want to test that in the middle of nowhere if she decides to break down.
This episode's beer comes from Chimera Brewing in the Mount Lebanon area of Pittsburgh. They've got plenty of local and original offerings on tap. Their cheerful and friendly staff are ever ready to serve you. This is Tim. And that's me enjoying a local mead called 1911. But today, we're going to talk about Perpetual Flow. Perpetual Flow is a hazy IPA solely produced by Chimera Brewing. It'll run you $20 for a 4-pack, and it packs a punch at 7.5 ABV. You'll need to find your own reason to spend that much for a 4-pack, but here's mine.
I don't like IPAs.
This is the first IPA that I didn't just tolerate. I actually like it. I like it enough to pay $20 for a 4-pack, and I'll do it again. And if you're a fan of IPAs, you're not giving up any of the hoppiness or flavor that you're accustomed to. But if you're new to IPAs or just not a fan of them in general, like me, this is a perfect entry-level beer for you.
Cheers.
The flavor is balanced and full, and yet doesn't overpower your palate. Are you going to share that?
Nope.